We're here today with
Layla.
And she is how old?
12.
Yep. You said that like it's a question. Today we're going to talk about teen makeup or preteen makeup. So the rule is you don't need makeup. You're too young. First, you need to get permission from your mom, your dad, your uncle, your grandma, your auntie, your foster parents, whoever's raising you. You need to get permission to wear makeup, obviously. You should. Yes. Layla is awesome. She's a little makeup artist in herself. I've taught her pretty much everything I know. And she knows not to cake on the makeup. It's just the thing. We don't like to do that. For today, we're going to use Carity. This is $29 and it's got a lot of awesome shadows. You'll need to take off your glasses for this part. We're going to start out with this color, Coquette. C-O-Q-U-E-T. And you don't need much. Just need to tap it in and tap off the excess. See all that? Tap it off. So you want to put this color on the outside starting right here. Wherever you put your brush down first, that's the most pigment placement. So you put that down and then you kind of sweep it over. Sweep it over into the crease. Go back and forth, a windshield wiper motion. Is that how you do it? Do you see that? How it just adds a little bit of definition. And just do the same thing to the other eye. Yeah, we got the washer and the dryer stuff going on, so don't worry about that background noise. This is real life. Well, that's really loud. We put that in the crease, as you can see. Just go ahead and close. Just right gently in the crease and blend out the edges. Okay. Pretty. Ooh, ah. Alright, so then we'll go to, well, we don't have any shimmery shades, so.
Unless we get out another palette.
Well, we could, but I want to try this one. So now we're going to use Whisper. It's a light matte shade. And we're going to put this on the eyelid. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Alright, and then you just sweep that over the eyelid, the mobile eyelid. You just sweep that right on the eyelid, up right into the other color. And this isn't going to show up too much. It's not a dramatic look. Don't need to look like a, what?
Crazy person?
A crazy person, yeah. Nobody needs to look like a crazy person when you're a preteen. Okay, go ahead and open. See? It just added a little bit of brightness and dimension. Yes, 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 yes. Now we're going to use Huntress. What are you doing? We're going to use Huntress as an eyeliner. You can use powder as an eyeliner. Any day, anytime. Okay? So if I have a client, I just gently lift up their eye so I can get right in the lash line. And just wiggle it back and forth. Is it tickle?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, okay, with you, I'll draw it then. Or you can stamp it. You don't have to wiggle it because it tickles. See how that brought just a little tiny more definition to her eye than this one? But it's subtle. It's not crazy. It's not over the top. But you can add more if you want, of course. I would stay away from black unless you want to look goth. Or what's the other thing that they do?
Emo?
The emo, yeah. So as you can see, she has wonderful, wonderful eyebrows. So, and she knows the rule. What's the rule?
Don't pluck them unless it's the middle.
Don't tweeze them, yes. Well, the middle, yeah. If you have a unibrow, you might want to get that professionally handled by the pros. That would be awesome. So we're just going to comb them up and make them look nice and groomed.
The camera's staring at me.
So look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? You can also get a clear mascara. I believe Maybelline has one. If your hairs are, if they fall throughout the day and they start looking like this by the end of the day, you don't want that. So you could get that to hold them in place, and that's fine. You don't need to fill in your eyebrows. You don't need to be an Instagram baddie because this is real life, not Instagram. Okay? Especially in the winter, you need something for your lips because they get super dry, as you can see. We're just going to use some Lucrative lip gloss from Unique. It's awesome. Go ahead and smack them around. Yeah, there you go. Doesn't that feel good? It looks good too. This is a nice color for you. And of course, mascara. Probably don't need it.
I don't need it.
No, so yeah, she doesn't need it. She has her dad's eyelashes, which is really rude, and I'm jealous. But, you know, if you want a little bit of something, something, you can put a little something, something on there. Yeah, I think this looks good. So you see her complexion is beautiful. She doesn't need any foundation. She doesn't even need any powder. If you were oily, you could put a little powder in the T-zones where you get oily, like right in here, maybe here, 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 maybe right there. You know, just depends. Translucent powder. You don't need color. So, here, fresh face, dewy girl, ready to take on the world. Yeah? Okay. So today we're going to talk about teen makeup. I don't know what else to say. I didn't really plan it out. I didn't write a script or anything, so yeah. Coquette? Coquette? Okay. Okay, Google. What does COQUET say? Here's a matching video. All right. It's a video, of course. A video for a video. Is it? Oh.
Coquette.
Coquette? Coquette?
Coquette.
You have an accent, lady. What? Hold on now. Coquette. Is it coquette? Coquette? Croquet? Coquette?
Coquette.
Coquette. Okay. Come into the frame, madame, and I'll get the hell out because I don't want my double chin in there.
You're gonna add that to bloopers?
I don't know, maybe.